Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix assistive touch not moving on iPhone iPad after iOS 16. Open the settings app on your iOS device. You can see appears on screen. Scroll down. Now tap on assistive touch. You can see click on the touch. Now tap on touch. Assistive touch. Now tap on it. Assistive touch toggle turn off after 5 to 10 seconds and turn it on back to home. Solution number 2, open the settings app. Now tap on general, scroll down. Now tap on shutdown. Drag the slide to power off after 5 to 10 minutes and turn it on back to home. Solution number 3, please restart your iPhone settings. That's it. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel. Bye and take care.